Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, but before I will explain the whole operation, let me quickly turn on the grid lines because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. The grid lines should disappear. Maybe rule of thirds, why not? Alright, we just got back. I hope that you can see those grid lines, and as I said, after resetting they should disappear. So in order to reset the settings, we have to take a look at this option bar at the top. Now let's tap on this arrow here to open more options, and here let's enter the settings. Then let's go to General and scroll all the way down. Now go to Other Settings and tap on Restore Default Settings. Tap on OK, and nothing happened. I mean, the settings flashed, but instead of that, nothing happened. Here we've got a flash again, and after getting back to the camera, we can see that the grid lines disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.